How to factory reset your old iOS device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can factory reset your old iOS device such as iPad or iPhone. So let's get started. First, open up your settings. After you open your settings, you will need to go to General. After you're there, scroll down all the way. Now there you will see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now the interface might be a bit different if it's a really old iOS device, but these are the way you can go to factory reset. So after you're there, you will see reset option. Now this is for settings only. What you need to do here is erase all of your contacts. Now follow through this process, and after you follow through this process, you will simply have reset your device. And you can set it up later after you finally reset it. And that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, take care.